Hair gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with disastrous beauty.
And then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this shit differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. Ooh. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I thought. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, cause I don't really like what I got, so I changed it bit by bit. It's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you. Cause we gotta go our own way, gotta go our own way, yeah. This was not a good stay, gotta go our own way. Cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me, yeah. I gotta go, I'll fly away to a new space. You know, I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me, yeah. I gotta go, I'll fly away to a new space. Cause gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. Sometimes. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. So the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Beauty Forever Hair. Shout out to you, Beauty Forever, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. Now honey, they ain't sent me no details, no specs, none of the things about the wig. So I did go on their site and I think I found the right one, but just in case I'm giving y'all the wrong info, honey, check the description box, okay, girl? Check the description box, because I ain't trying to tell you nothing wrong, okay? But it looks like the same wig. So on here it says, Beauty Forever 33 Dark Auburn Water Wave 13x4 Lace Front Human Hair Wig, pre-plucked with baby hair, reddish brown frontal wig, 150% density. Now, they did tell me that they were going to send me 24 inches. It is given 24 inches in my opinion, so I'm gonna go with what they said, honey. Okay, so it says some more details. It says the brand is Beauty Forever, obviously. The color is 33B, and I would give it a 33B. Like, okay, cool. The lengths available is 18 to 24 inches, and as I stated, they said that they were going to send me 24 inches. It says slightly bleached knots, pre-plucked natural hairline, glueless baby hair around. Now, I do want to go ahead and mention that it did look like the unit was slightly bleached, like they're not lying about this. So I don't know. I don't think you would actually have to bleach the knots unless you want to. Now, I did go ahead and bleach the knots on this unit, but I don't think it's necessarily necessary, if you know what I'm saying, honey. Okay. And it definitely did come pre-tweezed. Like, honey, she woke up like this. I did not touch her. Okay, girl. She woke up like this. Okay. So yeah, it is a water wave texture, and I do agree. I think it is a water wave texture. Like I said, I don't have the actual details other than the lint, but that's what it is giving to me, honey. Okay, that's what she's giving to me. Now, as far as shedding and tangling, honey, straight out of packaging, I ain't getting none of the things. That's not to say, oh girl won't do none of the things at some point. Just to say, it's not doing any of those things right now. Now, I don't see on here where they say what the lace is. Like, I see nada about the lace. I am going to speculate and say that it may be brown lace, but I'm not sure. I feel like I can see it, but it may be transparent. Honey, I don't know, honey. Y'all let me know what y'all think, and maybe they'll put that information down below in the description box, because I can't tell. Y'all let me know what y'all think down below, because I don't see nothing about it. I am looking and I see nothing about the lace. I don't see anything about the lace, so y'all let me know what y'all think down below. I know it can be hard to tell with my lighting. I can kind of see it over here, so I'm gonna kind of speculate and say maybe it is brown, because the brown lace doesn't blend as effortless on my complexion as the other lace, although your girl is getting tanned up. Okay, it might be blending real soon. But yeah, that is pretty much it as far as those details and specs. Now, as far as this unit being big head friendly, in my opinion, it is very, very big head friendly. I did have to crisscross applesauce the doggone strap, so yeah, she's big head friendly, girl. Okay, so just keep that in mind as well. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. Now, if you're interested in my pros and cons as well as the full 360 and a lint check, then please continue to watch. Okay, so you guys know I like to start with the cons because I like to end on a high note, and it is a 13x4, so you already know my con, honey. Okay, I did do a C part, and then I decided to do this little ponytail sort of style because I just kind of felt like it was a vibe. It was vibing for me. Okay, I may take it down and take some pictures with it down because that was also a vibe too, honey. So yeah, but I just kind of like just pulled it up. I wanted a little hump there. I wanted to look a little messy, sort of effortless, you know, sort of thing. So yeah, that's why I left a little hump there. I didn't want it to look super, super sleek. So yeah, and it's giving me vacation vibes, but it is a 13x4. Okay, so I did have to curve the part or else there would have been track showing. So just keep that in mind, and that is my con. Now, my pros with this unit is, first of all, let's start with this color, honey. Okay, I don't know if this color is giving. Let me turn up my lighting. I feel like my lighting is dark. There we go. Can y'all see this color? Get into this color, honey. This color is freaking giving. Okay, she is serving. I love the color of this unit. I think the color is really, really nice. I love the fact that it came pre-tweezed. I love that it was just kind of easy to apply. All I had to do was cut the lace and apply this unit, which in my opinion makes it frontal beginner friendly, if you know what I mean. Like, because frontals can just be non-beginner friendly as it is, but I feel like as far as frontals go, that made the unit more beginner friendly. And I love the fact that it came with slightly bleached knots, meaning unless you want to, you don't have to bleach the knots. So those are all of my pros with this particular unit. Would I recommend this unit? Yes, I would definitely recommend this unit. I would recommend it because it's pre-tweezed, and like I said, come with slightly bleached knots, and it's nice, and it is affordable as far as human hair wigs go. Like, you can get this unit for as low as $139 if you get it in 14 inches, which I still think would be an amazing look. So as far as human hair wigs go, and it looks like the longest length that they have is 26 inches, and even that is $318. So the unit that I have on is $269, which is 24 inches. And I still feel like that is affordable as far as human hair goes, in my opinion, especially with it coming pre-tweezed and all of that good stuff. So, and pre-colored. Like, I just feel like it is worth it. So, yeah, I just think it's a whole vibe, and I definitely would recommend this wig. All right, y'all, so let me go ahead and give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. Keep in mind, I am 5'4", and This is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think. Let me know if you are feeling this unit as much as I am. I am interested in your thoughts and opinions. And if you are interested in this wig, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And once again, shout out to You Beauty Forever for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or fuck I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.